Also set up take profit and stop for the put options. Okay, so for example, here, I'm refining the strategy. I'm explaining it in words, what I want it to do. Notice this is pretty sophisticated. Normally, this would be very, very difficult for a programmer to do. AI has gotten very good at this stuff, and we have trained it specifically to be good at this kind of stuff. So we can now hit refine, and this thing is going to generate some really nice code here. We'll see if it actually works. This is pretty complicated strategy. I think even like a human coder would have a really hard time with this, but let's see how it does. So anyway, so there we go. So you're able to generate code the first time around. You can type into it, you get your code, you get your notes, and then you can refine strategies. And you can like improve them over time. Hit that refine button. It takes sometimes like about a minute or so to get this done. That was 30 seconds. Boom. Now we have the strategy that is also trading these put options, and we can see if that actually works. Okay. All right, so and then you could keep going. So there's that's refined one. So you could also, oh no, I want to change this, and you could change something, or if you had some sort of a bug, you can copy and paste the error message that you got. You could basically talk to it back and forth just like you would ChatGPT. All right. Okay, so that's basically all the stuff around code. You also notice up here you have your strategies. You could switch between them. So here is if I want to go to down market, there's another one that I was working on yesterday. There's one here that I was working on. Basically tells you when they were created, tells you the names. You can switch between them to see different ones, right? Then you also have version, so you can switch the version, right? So in this case, every time you do a refine, it adds a version, right? So it tracks basically how this thing's been changing, right? So if you did a refine, you didn't like it very much, you can go back. You know what? I don't like these changes. I'm just going to go back to version 1. Now I can use this code, or I can modify it further. I can try it, refining it a different way, but basically you're able to go back and forth with versions that way as well, right? So and if you go back, let's say you go back to version 1, if you try to refine this one, you're going to refine version 1, not version 2, right? So you're refining whatever code is available here. And actually, someone even asked me this question. What if you change this code, right? Let's say you took this, she took it to ChatGPT, made some changes, then she's like, now how do I do it? You could actually even modify the code directly in here, right? And then when you hit refine, it's going to use that code as the basis for how it does all the refining, right? Okay, so know that you could change this code in here as well, all right? Okay, so that covers generate refine versions, the code area, copy button, switching strategies, notes, help center. We've talked about the help center already. You can go to help, right? Or you could just click on help center here, right? It'll take you to this help center if you need some help deploying or whatever, right? The number of prompts, you guys have number of